Hey guys, welcome back to another market discussion series. Bitcoin is still holding the demand zone we discussed on my previous video. Still then, nothing much to discuss about it. But something interesting I have seen in Bitcoin is that, as you know, when the price rallied from 40,000 to 53,000, there was a change of character, and similar change of character is seen recently. And what happened previously was the price ranged over there on top of the demand zone and then continued the rally. So I'm expecting something similar, similar action over here as well. Expecting some kind of range action on this demand zone and continue further. So yeah, that's what I'm expect. That's what I'm thinking Bitcoin can do in the coming days. Also, something else in this indicator is called comparative relative strength. It shows this white line is the total market cap and the red line is the price movement of Bitcoin. And as you see, the price movement is below the total market cap. That shows that Bitcoin is underperforming the market. So I'm expecting some kind of range action over here. And the worst case scenario is Bitcoin falling back to this price point. It's actually a swing point where the price dipped before, and in the Bitcoin actually it made a base over here. It made a base over here before moving up and breaking these levels. So I'm expecting worst case scenario. What is the worst case scenario that price can come back and test these levels? But in the brighter picture, I'm expecting Bitcoin to range over here. And yeah, in case this fails, I have this guy on my watch. And something interesting I've seen on Ethereum is, so as you know, I discussed about this indicator. There's the CRS, and you see CRS in the CRS indicator that Ethereum is trying to break out of that. That shows that there's some kind of momentum coming into Ethereum. Yeah, and it's also at a good demand zone. It was a previous all-time high level, so the price is actually holding on really well, and strength is coming in. So that is some good signs in Ethereum that price can head higher soon. And something else I want to discuss is Matic. Matic, same thing. It's breaking out of the relative strength. That shows that strength. That shows that some kind of buying is coming into it, and also you can see it's going to test a supply zone that actually pushed the price even lower, breaking the structure. So yeah, it's going to test that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait and see what kind of reaction we'll probably see from this supply zone, and plan ahead. Something else I want to watch is ADA. As you know, ADA is one of the favorite tokens for everybody. I mean, it's still my favorite token, and there's nothing else I want to discuss about ADA. It's still just staying there, doing nothing, and probably in 8 and 8 hours, it's actually the zone, it's a good demand zone, and the price is still doing nothing much. But if you look at it, there was a good sign of supply over here, and I mean, probably a lot of buying happened here, and they came back down again, and the volume kind of decreased further. It made a spring and pushed the price higher, and is now testing that spring. And you can see there's no much of volume activity. That shows that I think supply is dropping, supply is diminishing. So any sign of strength, especially indicated with CRS in 1 day time frame, there's some kind of momentum coming in. That would be a good long play in Cardano. So that's one thing. And then as usual, meta tokens like Sand, Mana, they're performing really well. And look at Sand, that is just crazy. I've plotted demand zone. I'm waiting for the price to come back, and let's see what happens. And yeah, something else is Shiba, meme coin. So if you look at the meme coin, and you see this is actually a very good demand zone. I'm expecting the price to come back, and you see the way price is coming down, the activity is it's a bit low. The just narrow range candles. So I'm expecting the price to come back to this zone where previously there was a huge buying. So let's see if we can place some. I mean, we can expect a test of these zone. I've set my alerts. I actually forgot to set alerts here, but now I've set my alerts. So let's see what can happen in the coming days. And something else on my watch list was FTM, and I will tell you why it was on my list. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So FTM on 1 day time frame, I'm seeing that there's some kind of momentum coming in. Even it's shown in the signs of volume. There's significantly higher volume considering previous trading days of almost 25 days. There's volume coming in and momentum is trying to pick up. And yeah, and look at it on the previous trading activity. There's small range candles that shows that there wasn't much of a selling activity, and suddenly there's an urge in buying. So that shows significant buying strength, and now it's heading towards it's like a significant bar, basically a supply zone over here. You can see over here. 1 minute, guys. Yeah, and this price level. Let's see what kind of reaction we can get from here, and we'll plan further ahead, just like Matic. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I will see you guys on my next video, and if you like this discussion, please don't forget to subscribe so you can watch more of my discussion series coming in the next days. And yeah, see you next time.